India-Russia relations are one of the most long-standing and important partnerships in India's foreign policy. Unlike many relationships that are based only on short-term interest, this one has developed over decades and has adapted to global challenges. From the Cold War period to today's multipolar world, both countries have continued to cooperate in key areas like defense, energy, nuclear power, and diplomacy, even though their global positions have changed significantly. The foundation of this relationship was laid soon after India's independence in 1947. At that time, the world was divided between the US led Western Bloc and the Soviet led Eastern Bloc. India followed a policy of non alignment but gradually developed strong ties with the Soviet Union. The USSR supported India in many ways, especially in international forums like the United Nations. It repeatedly used its veto power in India's favor, especially on issues like Kashmir. Soviet support was also very important during the 1971 war with Pakistan, which led to the creation of Bangladesh. The 1971 Indo Soviet Treaty of Peace, Friendship, and Cooperation gave India strong diplomatic backing during that conflict. During this period, the Soviet Union also helped India build its industrial and defense base. Projects like the Bhilai and Bokaro steel plant were set up with the Soviet help. India also started importing major defense equipments like fighter jets, tanks, and naval systems from the USSR. Even during the 1965 and 1971 wars, Soviet diplomatic support helped India avoid strong international pressure. After the collapse of Soviet Union in 1991, the relationship entered a difficult phase. Russia was going through political and economic instability while India was focusing on economic reforms. During this time, the relationship became less active, and India also started looking towards other regions like East Asia. However, both countries still maintained basic diplomatic relations. In 1993, a new treaty of friendship was signed to rebuild ties. By the late 1990s, both countries started again supporting the idea of multipolar world, where no single country dominates global politics. Defense cooperation remained the most important part of the relationship. Even today, Russia is one of India's key defense suppliers. India has imported many major systems from Russia, such as the S 400 air defense system, Su 30 MKI fighter aircraft, T 90 tanks, MiG aircraft, and Mi 17 helicopters. One of the most important joint projects is the BrahMos missile, which is developed by both countries. India also received the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya from Russia. In addition, India has leased nuclear submarines like INS Chakra from Russia. Both countries also regularly conduct military exercises called Indra. Nuclear energy is another important area. The Kundan Kulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu is built with Russian help and is one of the largest nuclear cooperation projects between the two countries. Russia also supported India in getting the 2008 nuclear supplier group waiver, which allowed India to engage in global nuclear trade. In space cooperation, Russia has helped India since the early days of its space program. Cooperation continues in satellite navigation systems like GLONASS and in India's Gaganyaan human space flight mission, especially in areas like crew safety system. Economically, the relationship is still growing but still imbalanced. Trade between the two countries is 50 to 60 billion dollars, but most of it is driven by India importing oil, defense equipment, and the fertilizers from Russia. India exports relatively less to Russia, mainly pharmaceuticals, tea, and coffee. New connectivity projects like the International North South Transport Corridor and the Chennai Vladivostok route are being developed to improve trade links. After Western sanctions on Russia due to the Ukraine war, both countries have explored alternative payment systems like rupee ruble settlements, but challenges remain. Energy cooperation has become even more important after 2022. India increased its import of Russian crude oil at discounted prices to ensure energy security. This helped India manage global oil price shocks, but it also created issues related to payment systems and long term sustainability. On the global stage, India and Russia work together in organizations like BRICS and Shanghai Cooperation Organization. They also cooperate on issues like Afghanistan and Central Asia. Russia has supported India's role in global forums, although its support for India's permanent seat in the UN Security Council is not very strong or consistent. The Ukraine war has made the relationship more complex. India has not taken a direct side and has followed a policy of strategic autonomy. It has avoided condemning Russia in UN votes but also continues engagement with Western countries through platforms like the Quad. At the same time, India still buys defense equipment from Russia, although it is also increasing imports from France, Israel, and the United States. This shows India is balancing both sides carefully. One challenge in the relationship is Russia's closer ties with China, especially after the Ukraine war. This is a concern for India because India already has border tensions with China. Russia also has limited defense cooperation with Pakistan, which creates additional concerns. However, Russia still considers India an important partner in Asia. There are also challenges like delays in defense deliveries due to the Ukraine war, payment issues due to sanctions, and Russia's declining global economic power. At the same time, India is becoming more connected with Western economies, which naturally reduces dependence on Russia over time. In the future, India Russia relations are likely to remain strong but more limited in scope. Defense, nuclear energy, and space cooperation will continue to be important. New areas like the Arctic region and space exploration may also grow. However, the relationship will become more balanced and less dependent compared to the past. Overall, India Russia relations should be seen as practical and flexible partnership rather than an alliance. It is based on historical trust and shared interests. But both countries are also adapting to new global realities. India will continue its policy of strategic autonomy, maintaining relations with Russia while also strengthening ties with other global powers.